Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to make a little bit changes to what we have done earlier. Like I said, we're going to change this to a new variable board. I'm going to change this to number so it can easily be accessed. So let's do that. The first thing is going to be board. So it's going to make a little bit of sense because using a variable, it just doesn't sound pretty right. So let's change this to board. So if we run this, we are going to use the variable board. So the next step is to change these values that has been assigned to all these variable right here. So let's go from this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what did I just do here? So when I run it, you can see the values here. Because instead of x on our O initialities, we are going to have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to that of 9. So that is this way we can see we can easily, by changing the values of this variable, we can easily manipulate this the values in there in our board. So this is basically what I want to do in this video. So make sure to stay tuned for this series. It's going to be really fun. So I'll be able to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.